I have been co-designing with kids for over 2 decades.
15 years.
15 years.
16 years.
7 years.
16 years.
20 years.
Almost 30 years.
I want people to know that co-designing with kids is nothing to be afraid of, that it's actually more fun than you could ever imagine.
Both fun and challenging.
It's not easy.
To me, it's a lot like jazz. So there's a sort of improvisational quality to it.
There are so many ways that it's just not beautiful, clean research, and it's wrapped up in a bow, and there it is.
It's not a magical tool that automatically makes all studies better.
It doesn't mean that to take anything and everything they say and turn it into the product. It's very important to synthesize data, make meaning of the data, and then translate them into product features with your design expertise.
I think people think of, like, if I just have kids do it, like, it'll be great. And it's like, no, it takes practice and time.
When you get to work with the people who are going to eventually use the product, it's energizing in a way that it isn't if you're just sitting in your own room thinking up what it would be.
Every session, there are amazing ideas that the team is able to come up with together.
Insights and ideas that you would never dream of as an adult.